Good morning. We'll see how to create the 15 finance scheme code for all the districts, blocks and panchayat. Since this year we are receiving fund for blocks and Jilla panchayats as well. So in this video we'll see all the details regarding that. So first of all, you have to log in from your district RID, and from there you will go to My Schemes and then you'll click on Register New Scheme. Once you click on register new scheme, you'll have to select the scheme. The scheme code for 15 finance of state is JH173. Then you have to click on I'll receive fund from state government. After that, you'll select the bank. You'll search the name of the bank and then you'll get your name. From this search box, you can select that bank. After that, you'll have to select your branch. Here both the options you can select from there. Here itself it will show you the list in drop down. You can search from here, else you can go by other link, select branch, and then these are the different fields from which you can select your branch. If you know the address, city, PIN, IFSC, MICR, any of these data you can put down and search your respective branch for that particular bank. Select it. Next you'll have to write down the account number and you have to write down the name of the agency as per bank, and then you have to map the scheme components. In 15FC there are 20 components, scheme components, and earlier it was 11, so those 11 are not now there. And once you are done with all this, you'll have to click on save. It will give you a message that the scheme has been saved successfully. Next, after you have done that, you have to request for approval by state, and once the state approves it, then your agency will be registered. I did show you the video in between for privacy reasons and I didn't want to leak out all the information like that. So next you'll have to register your block panchayat. So again you log in with your block credentials, and then again the same process has to be repeated. You have to go to your My Schemes, register new scheme, select the scheme will remain the same. Now here, because the block is receiving fund from district, so here you have to put that I'll receive fund from this agency and search it. So since the block office, it will be receiving fund from district Panchayati Raj office of that district. Next you'll select your bank. Get your bank, you'll select your branch, then you'll have to put down your account number, agency name, and map the components. You have to select all the 20 components that is meant for the 15 finance. After doing that, you'll have to save. Then you'll get this message that your agency has been saved successfully. Since this has been created by block, so the approval has to be done by the district ID. You have to log in with your district ID and then approve that particular block agency. Now similarly, you have to go down to the Gram Panchayat and then register new scheme accordingly. You have to select the code and then you have to write here again, I will receive fund from this agency. Which agency? Block agency. So you have to select that agency. Now here again you'll have to search your bank. Then your branch. After you have selected your branch, you have to put down the account number, agency name, select the components, all the 20 components, and it would be registered. After that, this has been created by block, so block has to give the approval. So this is the whole process for registering all the accounts in PFMS for 15 Finance.